Hello, before we begin today's video, can you please like, share, and subscribe to the channel because it actually helps expand the wonderful knowledge of NY and JPA weather and helps yours truly. So I really would appreciate it. So thank you, and as always, stay safe out there. Now let's get to today's video. Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, November 13th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen D. Martino, CDM number 9. Well, we have a series of troughs that are going to be moving through the region today, and that's once again going to keep the weather pattern rather unsettled with a mix of sun and clouds, a few isolated showers here and there. We have winds from the west-northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those will be increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour later on this afternoon from the northwest as, again, a series of troughs drop through. Currently, right now, we have temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s in your suburbs, mid to upper 40s in your urban areas, with variable cloud cover and a few isolated showers here and there, producing about a hundredth of an inch, at most a tenth of an inch of rainfall for today. When we take a look at our radar and surface map from WeatherTap, not seeing much in the way of surface reflection. That is because we're just dealing with a few weak troughs, no major lows, no major highs, with a nice northwesterly flow in place. That's leading to the showers dropping through, but this is more bark than bite. Again, when we compare this to the observations, very light rainfall, maybe a little snowflake mixing in here and there in the Poconos and Catskills, but that's pretty much about it as these continue to drop southward. And this whole pattern, when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, is driven by a deep trough over eastern Canada, New England, and the northern mid-Atlantic. And we're right on the edge of that trough. So what's happening is that this large trough is lifting to the northeast towards the Canadian Maritimes, leading to what we call rising 500 millibar heights, which means improving weather conditions as we head into at least the first part of the weekend. And then this feature right here, well, that's be dropping through on Sunday, Saturday night into Sunday, really, with a few showers and then some windy conditions by the afternoon. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Mix of sun and clouds, isolated rain or snow shower here and there. High temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, mix of clouds, an isolated showers possible, an isolated flurries possible. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, again, same thing, rinse and repeat. Mix of sun and clouds, an isolated rain and snow shower. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the I-95 corridor, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Saturday, high pressure will be in complete control with tranquil weather conditions. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Then on Saturday evening, a warm front will lift through with periods of showers, and some of those showers will be capable of some moderate downpours, looking about a tenth to possibly as much as a quarter of an inch of rain on Saturday night, with low temperatures by Sunday morning ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Again, this reduces or pretty much ends any threat for any type of frozen precipitation for the higher elevations. So generally just wet conditions. And then on Sunday morning into early Sunday afternoon, the cold front will move through with, again, additional scattered showers. Look for high temperatures ahead of this cold front ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s in the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 50s along the coast. After this cold front moves through in the afternoon and in the evening, you'll have clearing skies with temperatures falling through the 40s and winds from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour, at times gusting over 30 miles per hour. So if you're going to the Giants game or you're going to the Eagles game on Sunday afternoon and evening, you're going to want to bundle up because those winds are going to be a bit stronger, although it will be dry. So that's good news there. By Sunday night into Monday morning, a series of troughs will continue to swing on through. To continue to do that into Monday afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds. An isolated shower is possible, along with a flurry. Look for low temperatures on Monday morning in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures will only be in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 40s along the immediate coast. On Tuesday, scattered cloud cover is expected with a few series of troughs. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Wednesday, high pressures building in. Now, previously we were talking about a cold front that's dropping through, but that's going to swing on through much faster with little precipitation. Now we're looking at high pressure on Wednesday, but the forecast is a little bit volatile right now, so definitely want to keep an eye on this period of weather. So right now we're looking at high pressure with scattered cloud cover, low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. On Thursday, here comes a warm front that will produce scattered showers throughout the region. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there. Thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. But if you want to help the channel out even more, and myself, of course, you might want to check out Premium Consulting Membership, which provides amazing content and information that you get beyond the daily video that you see Monday through Friday. So what do you get? Well, you get updates every day in the Premium dashboard, starting with, of course, checking out the latest winter forecast or other seasonal forecasts throughout the year, live coverage room where you can ask me questions live and I respond usually within a few minutes. Also, the latest holiday updates, how the weather will impact that upcoming holiday. If you are into landscaping or you work in landscaping, should I say, you will get the latest details on whether or not rainfall will be a threat and impact your job. And of course, there is all the other content. The zoomed in impact map, the severe threat analysis, long range thoughts, the premium consulting video, and also energy analysis, seasonal analysis, additional analysis when the storms get really tricky, winter storm overviews, and when the tropics gets really active, all of the updates, including the individual storms and the overview as well. And if you're a business owner, we also have a specific impact forecast for you guys as well, your own weather map. So let's take a look at the prices. Pretty fair. $15 a month gets you all this information. If you're looking for a little bit of a discount, you can also have a yearly at $150 and quarterly at $60. And also, for all of you business owners out there, you have the ability to get your own web page, your own consulting analysis based on what you need every day in the morning, updated Monday through Sunday without any delay. And of course, you can call me up as well and have that one-on-one consultation. So all this and more at NY and JPA Weather. Thank you as always for being a subscriber and watching the videos. But if you're looking for a little bit more, this would definitely be one of the ways to do so. So in the meantime, stay safe out there.